Unboxing the phrase, trade jabs, a guide to English slang. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unwrap a slang phrase that's often heard in conversations, movies, and even in sports commentary, trade jabs. If you're curious about what this expression means and how you can use it in your daily English, stay tuned as we break it down for you. Trade jabs is a phrase that comes to us from boxing. In boxing, a jab is a quick, straight punch. It's often used to keep an opponent at a distance or to set up stronger, more powerful punches. When boxers trade jabs, they are taking turns throwing these quick punches at each other. It's a strategic move, where each boxer is trying to find an opening in their opponent's defense. But outside the boxing ring, trade jabs is used more figuratively. It refers to a kind of verbal sparring where people exchange quick, pointed comments or criticisms. It's similar to a back-and-forth banter but with a slightly competitive or biting edge to it. Now that you understand what trade jabs means, let's see it in action. Imagine two co-workers who are competing for a promotion. One might say to the other, "You've been working here longer, but I've brought in more clients." The other might respond with, "Experience trumps enthusiasm," though. They are trading jabs, not physically fighting, but verbally sparring through their remarks. While trade jabs can be playful and part of friendly banter, it's important to use this expression in the right context. It's best used among friends or colleagues who know each other well and understand the playful nature of the comments. Using it in a formal setting or with someone you don't know well might come off as rude or aggressive. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of the phrase, trade jabs, and how it's used both inside and outside the boxing ring. Remember, language is like a sport. The more you practice, the better you get. So, don't be afraid to throw this phrase into your next conversation. Just make sure it's all in good fun. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.